Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have the prerequisites, SSMS installed and credentials. First, run SSMS as administrator to avoid permission issues. In the Connect to Server dialog, enter the server name exactly, choose Windows or SQL Server authentication, and provide your username and password. Once done, click Connect. This step establishes the management session and authenticates you to the database engine, so make sure service names and ports match your environment before moving on. Once connected, focus on Object Explorer on the left. This is where you navigate instances, databases, and server objects. You should expand databases to see user and system DBs and inspect tables, views, and stored procedures. To run commands, click New Query, write TSQL, and press F5 to execute. Make sure to set the correct database in the dropdown. Also, review security logins to confirm your access level, because privileges determine what actions you can perform. You can now perform common tasks, create backups, restore databases, run queries, and configure SQL agent jobs. Use the toolbar and context menus for quick actions and open Activity Monitor for live performance metrics. When changes are complete, refresh Object Explorer to confirm results. If you hit connection errors, first verify the server name, instance, firewall rules, and authentication method. Often a wrong instance name or blocked port is the culprit. Restarting the SQL server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.